In this tutorial we will look at how we add a new task. Add a quick task, and copy a task. Before we add a new task, let's recap on the difference between a job and a task. A job describes the entire scope of work, whilst a task refers to a specific portion of the job. There are several ways to add a new task. Option number 1. When adding a new job, you are automatically given the ability to add a task. We covered this in the How to Add a New Client, Property and Job tutorial. Option number 2. Adding a task to an existing job which already contains a task or tasks. Select Jobs via the menu. Click on the job you wish to add a task to. Click on the plus below the existing task. A new window opens where you will complete the required information. Proceed by assigning a technician from the drop-down list. Select the start date, time and duration for the new task. Select the task types. The task type list will only show the most recent used tasks. If your task is not on the list, please start typing the task description, and it will appear. You can add several task types to each visit. The main task description will be copied from the first assigned task types. In this instance it will be quotation. We now add the task and invoice statuses. We will cover the purpose of the urgent toggle later in this tutorial. The final field is to add task-specific notes. Once done, click Save. The task is saved and added to the job. Here is a look at how the task displays on the assigned technician's smartphone. The technician can expand each section to see more details. In this case, the property is being expanded. We will explore how to add pictures, quotes and complete forms in another tutorial. Let's have a look how to add a task in the scheduler. Option number 3. Add a new task from the scheduler. Click in the desired time slot for the technician you wish to assign. The quick task screen will open. Select the job you wish to assign the technician to. Remember that tasks are linked to jobs. A quick task can only be created for an existing job. Once your organization grows, there will be several jobs and you will need to enter the required job number in the search field. Only the most recent jobs will appear in the drop-down list. So far we only have 2 jobs in this test organization, so they both appear on the list. The technician and start time is already populated. You need to select the task duration and task type next. Now select the task and invoice status and add any notes. Click Save and your task will be created. You can view the newly created task in the scheduler. Click on the task for a quick look, or view the job to see all the linked tasks. Option number 4. Click on the plus in the menu. This option is similar to adding a task via the scheduler, except in this instance the technician, the start time and date is not pre-populated. Now let's look at copying a task. Click Copy Task in the quick view or in the expanded view. The master task it was copied from appears in the description. You can edit the task by clicking the pencil at the top right-hand corner of the screen. By editing the task you can reassign the task. Alternatively, you could drag the task to the required technician in the scheduler view. The new task will overlay the copied task in this view. Drag the task and adjust the time if needed. The copy task feature comes in handy when a large project is undertaken and similar repeat visits are required. Let's quickly look at the urgent toggle. Urgent is not a status such as unconfirmed, confirmed, in progress, completed and cancelled. Urgent refers to the fact the technician wishes for an admin or supervisor member to prioritize looking at the task feedback. It also acts as a reminder when there is something very important that requires attention. When the urgent toggle is turned on, an indicator appears above the task in the scheduler view. This allows the technician to bring the matter to the attention of the admin staff without having to call them or send messages. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Join us for a free 30-day trial.